Hi there students, we are continuing the second video of the chapter calculating this statistic from group data. The first definition, it's going to be here discrete data. Discrete data is usually come from counting numbers. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Generally these are discrete data values, but not numbers like 1.23 or 5.9. And this is the second part. When there are lots of values, this type of data often put into groups. So we are going to put the given values into groups like in the previous video that I tried to explain. So we are going to have some classes here like 0 to 9, 10 to 19, and we can continue like this. So if you don't know exactly values, because you don't know the exact values of the things, how we are going to calculate mean, median, and mode. Instead of calculating direct mean, median, and mode, we are going to find the class contains the median. We are going to find the model class or estimate of the mean we are going to find. We cannot find exactly the value of median, or we cannot find exactly mode, but we can find model class or contains the median or estimate value of the mean. With respect to these classes, these groups, they are going to name as classes. If data about the number of flowers, let's say on plants, are grouped, the exactly number of flowers in each class will not be known. I'm going to give in the example. Instead, the mid-class value used for estimate the number of flowers in each class. So we are going to use one mid-class value instead of giving 4 flower or 3 flower. We are going to choose the mid-class value. With respect to that one, we are going to find the mean, median, mode with respect to that average class values. Okay. Now, here this is the example. Let's try to understand. These are the plants, group of plants, and we are going with n flower. It says it means that 0 to 4 flower there are 3 plants. 5 to 9 flower there are 5 plants. So how many flower we have here exactly? We don't know. It can be 5, it can be 6, it can be 7. All these are there in this group. But how many plants we have? 5 plants we have in this group. So find the class containing the median. If the number of flowers, if we write here in a group here like this is the first group. It's going to be in the first group we are going to have 0 to 4 group, we are going to have 3 plant. 5 to 9 we are going to have 5 plant like this. So we are imagine that I'm writing the numbers, exact numbers we don't know, but we are writing imagine that we are writing the numbers. So it means that if there are totally here 3 plus 5 it is equal to 8, plus 8 it is equal to 16, plus 14, that means there are 30 flower plants we have here. So totally there are 30 plants. With respect to that one, if there are totally 30 plants here, it means that the median it's going to be at the 15th and 16th one. So 15th and 16th one exactly we don't know where is the place, so we are counting like this here. 3 plus 5 it's equal to 8, 8 plus 8 it's equal to 16. So 16th one here it is. With respect to that one, 15 and 16 there in this class, we cannot find the exactly median value, but we know where the median is. So class, the A1 class containing the median is 10 to 14. It's going to be okay. The second one, which one is model class? Which type of flowers, which number of flowers shown mostly on the plants. As you see here, 15 to 19 mostly shown. So 15 to 19 model class it's going to be equal to 15 to 19. Here, this part is important. How to find the mid-class value. How to find the mid-class value? We are going to use this table. I'm going to find with respect to this table here. I want to put this one here, and I'm going to explain what does this 0 to 4 mean. Here, when there are 0 to 4 flowers, means 0 flower, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 flowered. Actually, 5 is not included here. 4 flowers. So the second group is it starts with 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 flowers. The third group starts with 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 flowers. You can continue to write. These are the mid-class value. The mid-class value of this one, it's going to be equal to 2. Why 2? Because as you see, it is the mid value. Here 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write here as a mid value this one. Then I'm going to write this one 7. Then I'm going to write as a mid value 12. So I can find the mid value 15 to 19. It seems 17, 20 to 24. It's going to be equal to 22. By the way, you can add 5 and you can find the next terms. Here the important part, these are the number of plants, these numbers, they are representing the number of flowers. So like there are 2 flower here, 7 flower, 12 flower, 17 flower, and 22 flower. So if you want to find the total number of flowers, we should multiply them firstly. This is m times f. Here it's going to be equal to 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. 5 times 7, which is equal to 35. 8 times 12, which is equal to 96. 12 times 17, which is equal to 17 times 10, it's equal to 170. 2 times 17, 34. 204 it's going to be. 2 times 22, it's going to be equal to 44. So when you add them up, it's going to be equal to 6 plus 35 plus 96 plus 204 plus 44. It's going to be, with respect to these it means that there are 385 flowers. It means this is approximate number. By the way, I forgot to tell that one. So here I'm going to divide by 30 and I'm going to get estimated mean, which is equal to 12.83. So I'm going to calculate the mean number of plant. It's going to be approximately 13. 12.83, it's actually 12.83 is the mean. 12.83, it's mean. Approximately also it is, but we know that that's approximately also 13 flowers.